Hello and welcome. In this lesson I want to show you how you can edit 3 pictures and make a small application on a web page with 3 buttons. When a button is clicked, the pictures are switched on the web page. And here I have 3 pictures: apple, mango and orange. You can come and click details icon here. You can see apple is PNG, mango is JPG and orange is JPG. These files have different sizes. If I can hover my pointer on apple picture, you can see it is 650 by 706. For the mango it is 1090 by 1100, and for the orange it is 1600 by 1200. What I want to do is to use MS Paint, edit them so that each picture will be 400 by 300. Then we will use JavaScript code together with the HTML to be able to display each picture at a time when a button is clicked on a web page. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to open the apple picture with the paint. Now you can see here the dimension is 650 by 706. I will go ahead and resize this, choose pixels here, and I want a height of 300, so I will type here 300 under pixels and click OK. Down here, when you can see now it is less than 400, so I'm going to extend this handle until it reads 400 there. Now I will go ahead and balance this image of apple in the middle of the picture. So I will use selection tool called freeform to select my apple. And put it in the middle of the file. You can see some shades of gray, so I will come to my color picker and pick this gray background to be selected here. Then I'll pick my jug and paint any white spacings to be grayish. I will save these changes and close this file. Do for the mango. Open, paint. You can see the picture of the mango is very big at 1090 by 1100. Click resize pixels. My height of 300. Click OK here. And now you can see height is done, but the width is less than 400. I will pull this handle until I achieve 400 there. Now I'm here, 400 by 300. I will select using the square selection now this picture of mango and try to bring it in the middle here. That is fine. I will save the changes and close this window. Do the same for the orange. Open with paint. Resize these pixels to a height of 300 and click OK. Fortunately, you can see this is already 400 by 300. I will not need to adjust this handle. I will only save the changes and click OK. I will just search here Notepad so that I can type my HTML and JavaScript code. I will create the web page using the HTML tags. I will divide the web page into 2 sections. head section and the body section. And be able to insert the title in the head. This is the title for the web page using the title tag. You can call it fruits app. So I will come to the body parts and insert heading. You can write here something like types of fruits, and below this heading I will insert a picture using img tag, and the first picture I want to insert is apple, and it is of type png. And this box which contains the picture, I want to give it the ID, which is a unique name, img. I will go ahead and put break here so that I move to the line below the picture, and in that line I will create an empty space using br again. This is an empty line. This is to break from the flow. This breaks the flow from the left to the right, downwards, and when it is down here, I will create an empty line with BR. Below the empty line, I want to put a button, input of type submit. That is for the button. And to put a label on top of the button, we use value, so I can write here apple. And I will need on click for actions, JavaScript action, and this action I can call it apple. The apple action is to show the image of apple when the apple button is clicked. The apple button is clicked, it should show the image of an apple. I will just copy this line and paste it below here, then paste it again. Now I will only modify this. The next fruit should be orange, and the action to show orange, you can call it orange. The next one should be mango, and the action to show mango should just be called mango. Another thing, this heading I want to make it green, so I will just come here and style it and put 2 quotation marks. Inside I will just write color green as the color of the heading. So let me go ahead and save this on the desktop inside fruits. I can just call this fruits.html and save as a web page. Now coming to my folder here, you can see the web page is there. When I open it by double clicking in Chrome, you can see I have a picture of apple and 3 buttons, but no action is yet available until I will write a code for these buttons to be active to switch the pictures. I will go back to my notepad. Now I will come and add JavaScript action here using the script tag. And close the script tag here. This action apple, I will come and define what it is using the word function and put curly bracket. I will come and define function orange. Down here by writing function, paste orange, put curly brackets, and close the curly brackets. For the mango, we'll copy, write function, paste mango, and close the brackets. Finally, I will write a line which will display apple on the page. Document get element by ID, and the ID I want is this img. Copy that and put it in single quotation marks. Then I am looking for its source, and since it is a function for apple, it should give us apple. And remember, apple is .png. I will just copy this line and paste it in the orange function, and only change the name of the fruit here to orange, and the orange is .jpg. Same, I will go and paste it in the mango, and the mango is of type jpg. Now I will save the changes and refresh this page. So if I click orange, you can see the picture of orange comes, mango, the picture of mango, apple, the picture of apple. That is how we do it. Go ahead, try this at home, and see you next time.